Hey guys, this is going to be a quick look inside one of the Kogan SmarterHome outdoor spotlights. Now at the front just has these two Phillips head screws. You just undo those to get access to the inside. And then just the front plate comes off, and then you get this glass disc that's held in with some rubber. Nice. And then you've got the reflector inside, and then just under that just a flat PCB with 3 surface mount RGB LEDs and just some resistors on each of the wires. Pretty basic. Now it has this like a nut at the back, but I think you can just push the cable in. It's just got a bit of a waterproof like rubber ring around the cable, and if you just push the cable it just pushes the PCB through. There's no need to undo the nut. Yeah, as you can see, there's nothing inside here. It's pretty empty. It's literally just the wires coming straight out of the pigtail, the heatsink at the back, straight onto the PCB, soldered on, goes through each of the lights through a resistor. Pretty basic, nothing in the back here. And that's why all the smarts is done inside this box, and all that comes out the other end is just the RGB signal that gets replicated straight down the wire to each of the lights, so they're all controlled just as one color, one light. So yeah, to put it back, we'll just pull the cable back, put the reflector back on, put the glass back on, and then put the front plate back on, and that's it. Thanks for watching.